Hello and welcome everybody. AMD stock on 27 November. Let's start step by step with easy price prediction explained. If you are new to this video, not to forget to subscribe and like, and let's start. So I think this is going to be for AMD stock to be such very important stock nowadays. Advanced macro devices. So I think if we went for 1 week update here, it's going to give us such a different movements of waves or different shapes of waves. So I think every part that increases gives us green candles. Okay, and then this is going to be referring for us that is the type of candles that we want. So since we see that difference, this is going to be an increase in momentum next time. So I think this is going to be very important. Very serious about what would happen if AMD stock is not going to increase. It will give the decrease because it's going to be also referring to the half process that started from here. Okay, this is going to the middle process, and the last part or the minimum values that can be reached from this level to this level is going to be here. That's what can I say about AMD stock today.